We are Wenzutro Bar Technology Company Limited, focusing on faucet making CNC machine. This is our crown type 6 cutter tapping center. It can deal with processes of threading, tapping, drilling, grooving, milling, lettering and logo carving. Absolutely an all-purpose CNC machine. That is 40% lower cost than VMC machine center. Crown type tool is achievable in saving time, improving efficiency, and enhance capacity, because the tool change time will be shorter. There are some main functions. The first one, high-speed position and exchanging of tool holders. The second one, flexible and simple resetting device. The third one, driven with single servo motor. Also, it is easy to recover when have a crash. One worker can handle several machines. The efficiency is greatly raised, and the labor cost is decreased. Without environmental pollution, it also ensures the health of workers. If you have aimed to improve efficiency and expand your capacity to your production this year, then you must check out more information of our faucet making machine. We focus on innovation and customization. If you want to experience the other machines too, then don't hesitate to get in touch with Bar Technology. We would like to assist. We are Wenzutro Bar Technology Company Limited, focusing on faucet making CNC machine. This is our crown.